Hey guys, so how you doing? So I'm in Hawaii here on my fifth vacation here, enjoying my time. I'm at a hotel at ninth floor, top floor. Got the view of the awesome Waikiki Beach. Bragging, nope. I'm trying to tell you what to do here, how to get your business started. So how do you start, right? So my story was that I lost my career after 12 years. I was a city planner. I had no time to research for years and years and years. I got right into it, lost my job in November, started my business in December, fell on my face for over a year. So that's my hard story there. So how do I want you to start? What I want you to do is when you're going to work, look at all the houses around you you're passing up on going to work. Each house to you should be a dollar sign, right? 100, 150, 200, whatever it is. Think about that. Don't look at houses as houses anymore. Look at them as capital for your business, for your future. Understand it's a paradigm switch, okay? You're switching from just, oh, the houses are beautiful to, hey, there's money in those houses. That's what you want to start thinking about, okay? So you have weekends available. You have to get away from just the 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, because you are going to become a business owner, not thinking about owning a home cleaning business. You are going to be a home cleaning business owner. It's a paradigm shift, you understand? There's no tricks here. I keep saying that. There's not tricks. These are techniques. Understand? The technique for your mind is to understand, you know what? These houses are money and weekends are time where I can work. That has to happen. That's your sacrifice. That's how I made my sacrifice. Still do it sometimes even now. Understand? So that's your sacrifice. Number 3 is this. Well, you're saying, how do I get work? The first job is going to be your house, your oven, your bathroom, whatever, right? I don't care where it's at. Do it before and after. Post it on your Facebook. But I don't have a Facebook for that. Make a Facebook page, right? And do it that way. If you want help, I can show you how to do it. But if you have Facebook, make a Facebook page for business, okay? That's what you want to do. On that Facebook page, put down your business name, right? And that's where you're going to start putting your before and afters using your own home. Now you're saying, well, okay, Mitch, great. But how do I get other work? Again, let's think about it, okay? You are going to want to go down the free route for quite a long time. Now, there's a lot of people out there on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever, saying, hey, TikTok, hey, buy my program and I'll give you 25 leads. Don't buy jack diddly for now. Don't buy nothing, okay? You can get your first few 10, 20, 30 leads free. So how do I do that? You'll see that in my course, but I'm going to tell you right now, you get that through Yelp and also a program called Nextdoor, okay? Nextdoor is free, all right? You want to put your business there, what you do, and you want to be specific. Move out clean, whatever kind of clean you want to say you do, you do. You put it on Yelp. The reason why I like Yelp is because it can be zip code specific, meaning you will only clean homes around your area. Make it easy for you because you gotta understand, you're gonna do this on a Saturday or Sunday. This is your off day, right? So you want to make sure that you have. You tell them I can do Saturday or Sundays only. Yelp can be very specific. People think Yelp is just a review app. It's not. You can put your business on there. Even to this day, so 12 years later, we still get jobs on Yelp all the time, okay? Number 2 is Nextdoor, or Nextdoor, yeah. Put your business there as well, right? Don't buy, they're gonna call you. The minute you put your name on there, they'll call you. Oh, buy this package for $400, we'll get you many leads. No, don't do that. You should get leads coming to you for free. Now, you might have to pay, like, if you want to go for a lead for $4, you might have to pay a little bit of money for a lead, but do not buy a package from Nextdoor or Yelp. Don't do that. Because, as I said to you many times before, there are more homes that need to be cleaned than there are home cleaning businesses. Now, how to clean and what to look out for, that's in my course, okay? But I'm telling you right now, though, is that to get your first jobs, right? Your first job is going to come from you or a friend. You're going to clean their house, clean their bathroom, whatever you want to clean. You're seeking right now is the before and after. That's what you want to do. You're looking for a before picture, after picture. That's what you want to do, okay? But here's what I want you to work on right now for the next 7 days, okay? You want to switch your paradigm. You're not going to think of yourself as just a 9-to-5 worker. There are billions of 9-to-5 workers. People who go to work at 8 o'clock, go home at 5 o'clock, watch TV, drink a beer, they go to sleep. You don't want that. It's not for you. I was shaken out of my false life because I lost my career, and I had nothing to back me up. So I immediately went into, right, my own home cleaning business. And 12 years later, I'm in Hawaii. Okay, so there we go. Click the link below. You'll see a little video there, and you're also going to see the first products you want to buy for sure, okay? But also, though, you want to email me, right? MitchJEducationHub@gmail.com to put your name on the waiting list, okay? Because in a week and a half, I'm going to release my course to you guys. It's my third edition to date. 1,422 successful home cleaning business owners, all right? Funny side story. Took a cruise last year. Ran into one of my ex-students on the cruise ship who was taking a cruise, him and his wife and the kids, taking a cruise, and he just couldn't stop saying, thank you. But you guys, I just show you the path. You have to walk it. He gave me too much accolades. I just showed the path, and he couldn't believe the ROI, return on investment. To invest in my course is very tiny. I make it tiny on purpose because I know it's effective and I know it works. Understand? In my course, each video is important. Each video stops on the other one, right? Each one builds and it builds and it builds. You watch each one. Anytime in my course you have a question, we're going to do group talk and also one-on-one talks. If you need a one-on-one with me, you let me know in the course. It'll tell you how to do it. It's easy, okay? My legacy is your success. That's what I want my legacy to be, okay? To you guys to make it great, all right? So, next door, Yelp at your house or your friend's house is where you're going to start your business. But most importantly, stop thinking about yourself as this droid going to work and working 9 to 5 and let other people do that. Let them do that, right? If they want to sit on the plantation for another 30 or 40 years, making their 20, 10, $5 an hour, whatever they're making, good for them. They're never going to go to Hawaii. They're never going to have 5 vacations a year. They're never going to have the freedom to wake up on a Monday and not give a darn if it's a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. They're never going to have the freedom of not worrying about, Sunday night. You know how I used to be on Sunday night? It's Sunday night, my weekend's almost gone. When you have your own business, it doesn't give a damn whether it's a Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. It doesn't matter. I implore you guys to switch your paradigm in your mind to think about how you think of life as a business owner. Home cleaning businesses fail 9 out of 10 times because they don't know what they're doing. That's all there's to it. They don't know what they're doing. They're not stupid, they're not dumb. They just don't know what they're doing. I will show you how to do this. Click below the link, look at the little video, look at the stuff you need for your first business. Second thing, email me. Mitchell, I want to be on your waiting list when your course comes out because I want to take your course. Okay?